This is a teach of the Cupid shuffle for my beginners. You begin with your weight on your left foot, and we're going to move to the right, stepping side together, side. Side together, side together, side together, side, touch. Side together, side together, side together, side, touch. Heel and heel and heel and heel. Turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you're ready to begin again with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This looks boring. I want you to roll through your foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you feel like kicking for the heel taps, you can kick and kick and kick and kick. And then you have 8 counts to turn any way you want to the side. Anything goes. You have 8 counts to do it. So make the Cupid shuffle fun for you.